watching Sphere News Network. It's time 9 p.m. headlines. I'm Madiha Saeed with international news. French ex-president Nicolas Sarkozy has been sentenced to 3 years in jail, 2 of them suspended from corruption. Asians around the world are reacting with happy tears as Chloe Zhao made history at the Golden Globe Awards, becoming the first Asian woman to ever win the prize for Best Director. Myanmar Aung San Suu Kyi has been seen for the first time since she was detained in a military coup after she appeared in court via video link. The finance of the murdered Saudi journalist Jamal Khashoggi has called for Saudi Arabia's crown prince to be punished without delay over his killing. African countries are starting mass COVID inoculations. Drivers using vaccines supplied through a scheme set up to share doses fairly with poorer nations. The Duke of Sussex has drawn parallel between the treatments of his mother and wife in tear clips of a much anticipated Oprah Winfrey TV special. Donald Trump says he has no plans to launch a new political party, telling a conversational conference in Florida that it would split the Republican vote. Catalan police say they have made several arrests after searching the offices of Spanish site Barcelona.